Hey, it's Todd Ault and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is appreciation. This is generally the appreciation of a price or value of an asset over time. Now, when you think of appreciation, don't think of capital gains. That's something you pay after you sold an appreciated asset. Appreciation could be a home, a piece of real estate, a fixed asset, something that has value that over time can appreciate because of inflation, because of various scarcities, like something, maybe land is hard to get in a certain area so the prices go up, or maybe people are paying more for it and there's more people wanting to live. Supply and demand affects appreciation in a big way. Appreciation of assets happens over a long period of time or a short period of time, but it's generally the price appreciation of assets or specific commodities that cost more over time for various reasons. Now, recently, the government has fueled the fire of potential appreciation by the money supply. During the COVID crisis, the government, specifically the Federal Reserve, has increased the money supply by giving out money through PPP and other programs to protect the economy. This may have a long-term effect on fixed assets like apartment buildings and real property. Because the currency may have to go down in value, those assets may cost more money at a later time. Today's word is appreciation, the opposite of depreciation.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.